Hi guys, this is Rich here on behalf of richtvlive. Today I'm talking about Standard Lithium. Standard Lithium is the leading generation of lithium producers by applying a disciplined strategy and minimizing resource, political, permitting, and technology risks. The company is positioning itself to lead the new wave of lithium production. Now, if you take a look at investing.com and you take a look at Standard Lithium, you can see that on the 5-minute chart, it is neutral. On the 15-minute chart is neutral, but on the hourly chart, it's a strong buy, and on the daily chart, it's a strong buy. If we look at the indicators long-term, you can see that it is very bullish right now. The sentiment is very bullish. I like this. On the hourly chart, it is a buy on the moving averages, a strong buy on the technical indicators. On the 5-hour chart, it is a buy on the moving averages and a strong buy on the technical indicators. On the daily chart, it is a buy on the moving averages, a strong buy on the technical indicators. The weekly is a buy on the moving averages, a strong buy on the technical indicators. And on the monthly, we have a buy and a buy again. So right now, all the indicators are showing a bullish indication for Standard Lithium. Now, Standard Lithium just had some big news over the last few days, and I want to break it to you. So Standard Lithium provides processing and pilot plan update. Now, what is so special about lithium? Lithium is being used in electric car batteries. So this is something that a lot of people are saying there's going to be a shortage of, which will force these stocks to potentially skyrocket. And Standard Lithium is priced right, I believe, to do very, very well. In fact, Morningstar is actually projecting that they are trading at 26% discount right now to market. So that's some serious upside from where they are right now. And obviously Morningstar is huge. So if you've got an account at Morningstar, you can go take a look at the expectations for Standard Lithium, and they are expected to rise by another 26%. If you want to get all these tools and information, just go to www.richtvlive.com, hover over stocks, all the tools and resources are right there. And if we look at OTC markets, the US symbol for Standard Lithium is STLHF, and you can see that they have a market cap of 91 million. Only 73 million shares issued and outstanding, which is very tight. I really like that. And you can see they're on the OTCQX. So I like all of that as well. And if you go to their website, it is standardlithium.com. Now, if you scroll down and you research this website, you can see that they've got some really big news. This is huge news for Standard Lithium. Under the symbol SLL on the Toronto Stock Venture Exchange, on the OTCQX great listing under the symbol STLHF, and in Frankfurt under the symbol S5L, is pleased to provide an update regarding the company's rapid progress in developing and building a large-scale pilot plant for development at the Arkansas project site. The company and its scientific advisory team have been developing, testing, and optimizing proprietary lithium extraction and crystallization technologies on Smackover brines for over a year, and are now at the stage where the process flow sheet is sufficiently tested and proven to allow procurement and fabrication to commence on the full-scale pilot plant. A lithium extraction mini pilot plant has been operated continuously for long durations and has demonstrated that lithium can be selectively extracted from raw Smackover brine, i.e. with no pretreatment and other than pH adjustment, can be converted into a concentrated and substantially purified compared to the feed brine lithium chloride solution, that the lithium-loaded sorbent material can be continuously regenerated and recycled to the extraction stage, and that overall lithium extraction efficiencies of over 90% can be achieved. Completion of this work has allowed design of the large-scale lithium extraction pilot plant to be sufficiently completed, such as procurement of long lead time equipment has commenced. This is big news. The procurement and fabrication of the lithium extraction pilot plant is being performed by Zeton Inc. at their design and fabrication facility in Burlington, Ontario. Remember that name. Once fabrication of the modular pilot plant is complete, It will be shipped to the project site in southern Arkansas for installation, commissioning, and operation. Initial site investigation and civil mechanical engineering design work has commenced at the project site, and it is expected that all preparation and brine utility interconnections will be completed well in advance of deployment of the pilot plant modules to the project site. This is some big news. In addition, the company has been performing test work to selectively crystallize battery grade, remember, batteries for cars, electric cars, lithium carbonate directly from the concentrated lithium chloride solutions produced by the company's proprietary lithium extraction technology. This is why Standard Lithium has so much potential. This test work has been successful in making high purity lithium carbonate material, 99.5% purity, very high standard. And as previously announced, see Standard Lithium's news release on the 6th of June 2018, the company and its technology partners are currently fabricating a pilot scale crystallization plant. The first pilot scale plant will be capable of running continuously and will serve as proof of concept that Standard Lithium's proprietary crystallization technology can be used in place of existing OEM crystallization technologies. Should initial testing be successful, then a larger pilot demo scale crystallizer will be constructed for deployment of the project site. So this is some big news. You can follow all this information at standardlithium.com. You can see the news under news. All the information is there. The Standard Lithium provides processing and pilot plant update. Let's just break this down. Standard Lithium is pleased to provide an update regarding the company's rapid progress in developing and building a large-scale pilot plant for deployment at the Arkansas project site. The company and its scientific advisory team have been developing, testing, and optimizing proprietary lithium extraction and crystallization technologies on Smackover brines for over a year and are now at the stage where the processing flow sheet is sufficiently tested and proven to allow procurement and fabrication to commence on the full-scale pilot plant. A lithium extraction mini pilot plant has been operated continuously for long durations and has demonstrated that lithium can be selectively extracted from raw Smackover brine, i.e. with no pre-treatment other than pH adjustment, can be converted into a concentrated and subsequently purified compared to the feed brine lithium chloride solution, that the lithium-loaded sorbent material can be continuously regenerated and recycled to the extraction stage, and that overall lithium extraction efficiencies of over 90% can be achieved. Completion of this work has allowed design of the large-scale lithium extraction pilot plant to be sufficiently completed such that procurement of long lead time equipment has commenced. The procurement and fabrication of the lithium extraction pilot plant is being formed by Zeton Inc. at their design and fabrication facility in Burlington, Ontario. Once fabrication of the modular pilot plant is complete, it will be shipped to the project site in southern Arkansas for installation, commissioning, and operation. Initial site investigation and civil mechanical engineering design work have commenced at the project site, and it is expected that all site preparation and brine utility interconnections will be completed well in advance of deployment of the pilot plant modules to the project site. This is huge news. In addition, the company is performing test work to selectively crystallize battery-grade lithium, here it is, battery-grade lithium carbonate directly from concentrated lithium chloride solutions produced by the company's proprietary lithium extraction technology. Wow! This technology has been successful in making high-purity lithium carbonate material, 99.5% purity, and is previously announced. See Standard Lithium news release on June 6, 2018. The company and its technology partners are currently fabricating a pilot-scale crystallization plant. This first pilot scale plant will be capable of running continuously and will serve as a proof of concept that Standard Lithium's proprietary crystallization technology can be used in place of existing OEM crystallization technologies. Should initial testing be successful, then a larger pilot demo scale crystallizer will be constructed for deployment at the project site. This is huge. Dr. Andy Robinson, president and CEO of Standard Lithium, commented, "Our scientific advisory team and technology experts partners have been working tirelessly over the past 12 months to develop modern, efficient, and scalable technology solutions appropriate for deployment at our project site in Arkansas. We've been very excited that we're now at the stage where procurement and construction of the full-scale pilot equipment has commenced, and all our project activities are aligned toward deploying the full-scale modular pilot plant in the first part of 2019. That is right around the corner. That is exactly what we're looking for. And look at this. They've also added Robert Cross. Robert Cross has more than 25 years of experience as a financier in the mining and oil and gold and gas sectors. He is a co-founder and non-executive chairman of Bankers Petroleum Limited, co-founder and chairman of Petro Dorado Energy Limited, and until October 2007 was the non-executive chairman of Northern Iron Resources, Inc. Between 1996 and 1998, Mr. Cross was chairman and chief executive officer of Yorkton Securities, Inc. from 1987 to 1994, and he was a partner investment banker with Gordon Capital Corporation in Toronto. Mr. Cross has been an engineer degree from the University of Waterloo and received his MBA from Harvard Business School. So there's just so much news on this company, and the news just keeps flowing. As you can see, here's the news on Bob Cross. So the news keeps flowing, and you can find Standard Lithium under the symbol SLL on the TSX Venture. You can find it under the symbol STLHF on the OTCQX, and we love the OTCQX. OTCQX has so much potential, and that is where they have the best companies featured right there on the OTCQX. And Mr. Cross has had a wealth of experience, okay? As you can see here, you can read all of his experience. He is very, very well educated. He is a co-founder and serves as chairman of B2 Gold, a top-performing growing gold producer, which will achieve almost 1 million ounces of low-cost gold production in 2018. These are billion-dollar companies that he's a part of, and now he is a part of Standard Lithium. So if you take a look at some of their projects, you can take a look at the Bristol. Let's take a look at this Bristol Dry Lake project, and you can learn more right on their website. Find everything you need right at standardlithium.com. You can learn a little bit about the Bristol Lake project. Bristol Dry Lake Playa is a flat salt dry lake that occupies approximately 155 square kilometers in a 2,000 square kilometer arid drainage basin in San Bernardino County, California. Standard Lithium's partnership with 2 permitted brine operators provides it with immediate access to raw brine. The project covers 35,000 plus acres and covers the majority of the playa and overlies a basin that is greater than 1,000 meters deep. Standard's position in this nationally important resource is highly strategic. So they have a lot of great projects, and you can learn about all of their projects right on their website. You can see they are 43101 compliant. Everything that you're looking for in a company, this company seems to have. So you can take a look at their location map, the Bristol Dry Lake project. Look at the map here. So everything is very well organized. Take a look at their projects. Everything is transparent. Seems to me like this is a company that is positioned to maybe go up. Morningstar, like I said, has already projected that they are undervalued by about 26%. So based on those values, we could see them maybe trade as high as $2 or more in the next few months. Like I said, Rich TV Live is strictly for education, entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research. Always make sure that you know exactly what you're getting into, why you're getting into it. When you invest in a company, and invest in a company because you love it, okay? Don't invest in it because you heard it here first. We are always going to be bringing you companies. We're always going to be bringing you new opportunities. Lithium is an industry that I think has so much potential because there is a lack of lithium. And based on that alone, because of the supply and demand, I believe Standard Lithium is positioned to be one of those companies to really maximize on the growing trend of interest in lithium. Robert Mintak is the CEO and director of the company. You can see their management team here. So they've got a strong management team. They have a big team, an experienced team. I would like to know what you guys think about Standard Lithium. Please comment down below. Let me know what you think. If you like this video, smash the like button. Please share the video everywhere. I'd love to know your opinion on Standard Lithium. Do you think that this has potential to be a big winner? It is bullish on investing.com. All the indicators are a buy, and if we go to bar chart, we can see that even on bar chart, they are a strong buy, an 80% buy on bar chart with the strongest short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction. Longer term, the trend strength is maximum. Long-term indicators mostly agree with the trend. So the trend is strong. All the indicators are looking up for this company. Now, always do your due diligence. Try to buy in a dip. Try to buy in the red and sell in the green. You can see in the last month, they're up 83%. Unbelievable growth in the last month alone, and up 100% in the last year and 100% in the last 3 months. So what do you guys think? Standard Lithium Corp, I think it has the potential to be a big winner. I'd like to know what you guys think. Please comment down below. Let me know. Read the news. Do your due diligence. What do you think? Is this going to be a big winner? I'd love to know your guys' opinion. But based on what I see right now, I think you need to put SLL on your watch list. Put it on your radar. On the OTCQX under the symbol STLHF. And in Frankfurt under the symbol S5L. And if you take a look at their websites, you will go to the homepage and you can strictly just scroll down and you can see that they are listed on the OTCQX, which that alone is a huge, huge thing. And take a look at this. They are part of the TMX Venture 50. That's right. They are part of the TMX Venture 50. Which means they are considered one of the top 50 companies on the TMX. Here it is, 2018 Venture 50. The 2018 Venture 50 is a ranking of the top performers on the TSX Venture Exchange over the last year. This ranking is comprised of 10 companies from each of 5 industry sectors, selected based on 3 equally weighted criteria. And right there, Standard Lithium was one of the companies that is part of that list. So thank you for watching. This is your boy Rich from Rich TV Live looking at Standard Lithium Corp. Seems like all the indicators like it. They like it on Morningstar. They like it on bar chart. They like it on investing.com. Let me know what you guys think. This is your boy Rich looking at Standard Lithium Corp.